Right, let's fit the flat glass. So now we centralise the unit on the upstand. So now that it's in position, do not forget to silicone every fixing screw. And it comes with PAS 24 security fixings. Remember, when fitting, do not over tighten your screws. So now the unit's actually fixed down. Basically, it's a line of silicone to seal the unit in, all the way around this line here. And on the inside, and that's it sealed. Next stage is fitting the fascias. Basically, they clip up into that lip, line them up so they're centralised, push them in, done. Fascia's on, next thing corner clips. Same again, up into the top groove, click it into place. It can't get any easier. So the flat glass is all fitted, so simple. How do we finish the inside? On the cheeks we plasterboard all the way around and then we skim it. When we've done that, we remove the blue tape on the inside of the window and slide this trim into place. And the reason for this trim is it just gives a seamless finish when you look up through the glass.